Good morning, dear. Now today we are going to discuss about Tawa Matsyasan. Tawa is the name of river and which is originated from Mahadev Hills from MP Madhya Pradesh and district Chindwara, and later on Naranda river, Tawa river joined the Naranda river in Hosangabad. So that is the background of the Tawa rivers, which originated from Mahadev Hills, passes in Betul mountain, Betul area, and later on join in the Narmada river at Hosangabad, and district is Chindwara. So you know Tawa Matsyasan is the organization of the Federation of Fisher Workers, and when a dam was constructed in Tawa rivers, on the Tawa rivers when dam was constructed, so dam work was started in 1958 and it was completed in 1978. Work was started in 1958, completed in 1978. Due to the debt, you know, when a government decided to construct the dam, there were many people who displaced from their areas to shifted in another areas, another one region, because that area come into the catchment or that area may be some bug inside the water due to the dam. When dam was constructed, so you know water level increased and that area comes in the catchment area. Catchment area is the such area where the water storage area inside the dam, जो water storage होता है dam के अंदर. So many people separated in another area, so they lost their land, they lost their houses. There were many problems faced by the people, and they started demand for the new houses, for land, and for livelihood. Some earning sources are required. So they formed the organization that known by the Tawa Matsyasan. Movement has started inside the MP, and rallies, chakka jam are common in that areas. And they started continue fighting against the government. And in 1994, right for fishing to given the private contractors. When a dam was completed in 1978, dam बनना start हुआ बेटा 1958, completed in 1978, और in 1994 MP government has given right to fishing to the private contractors, जो उस डैम के ऊपर in that areas fishing right given to the private contractors by MP government. So who lost the land? Those people who are living in that area, tribal, Adivasis, they lost their earning sources, they lost their houses, and after that who get the benefit? Who are getting the benefit? Private contractor. और benefit किसको मिला? Private contractor को. Why the government given the right of fishing to private contractor? Through this, government collect the more and more profit. Revenue will be increased. Government income will be increased. So later on, you know, in 1996, when struggle was started, finally in 1996, when MP government has felt that rights should be given to the local people who has their land, who lost their land also. And in 1996, MP government has decided there were group of the 33 villages, and in Jan 2nd Jan 1997, fishing right is given to the villagers. After a struggle, finally, local villagers on this fight, and finally they got fishing right 2nd Jan 1997, and you know they celebrate New Year with this happiness moment. So this is the story of struggle which happen in Tawa rivers areas in MP state, and how to the people has started. So many time dear, when a struggle may be started, so strike are common, dharnas are common, and they cover up by the newspaper, social media, and when public know about it, so issues will rise up at the national level, and later on government may be change the decision, and finally this happens in this moment. Government has changed the decision. Earlier contract was given to the private contractor, and private contractor threat the villagers because they have got the right to fishing in that area, और वो लोगों को डराते थे, those people who are living in that area, क्योंकि फिशिंग राइट उनको मिला था. बट फाइनली आफ्टर ए स्ट्रगल, दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ तवा मत्स्य. फाइनली 2nd Jan 1997 MP government has given right to fishing for 33 villagers. So that is the story of Tawa rivers. Through this, what are the rights given our constitution? We'll discuss in this lecture also. How to we can say that we all are equal? What are different rights given by our constitution to us? What are the different rights mentioned in our constitution where we can claim for our rights which is given in constitution? If your right may be violated by anyone, so you can approach to the judiciary. As it happens with the citizen, they were living in that area and they have first right to for a fishing, but it given to the private contractors. Later on struggle has started, and after a struggle finally they became success, and this is the story of Tawa Matsya. And dear, our living document constitution is given right to us, and when we may be discriminated by anyone, so different rights given in our constitution. Fundamental rights are given our constitution, in which right to equality is given. All persons are right, all are the equal in front of the laws, have the rights on the basis of gender, caste, religion, birthplace. They have right, no one could be discriminated. Second one, right to freedom is given. Every person has the right to move anywhere, visit any part of nation, as a freedom of their language. He or she can express their ideas. And third, right to against exploitation is given. If anyone children whom age is 14 years or below 14, no one person may be forced to such children for a work. It is right against the exploitation. Human traffic, manav taskari also part of it. And next, right to religion is given. All citizens who are living in our country have right to religion. They have right to follow any religion, to protect their religion. They can make the buildings or whatever temple, mosque to protect their culture, to protect their religion. And they can open the institutions to spread the ideology of their religion. So right to religion is given. Next one is the cultural and educational right is given. Everyone citizen has right for their culture. There are different diversities found in our country, and all citizens have right to protect their cultures, because culture is also one symbol which represent our identity. Suppose we have different culture in Rajasthan. Gujarati citizen have the different culture. Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam, different culture, and they also known by their culture. They are famous with their cultures. That's why our culture is the one identity. And educational right also given. Everyone person has the right to education, which is given in our constitution. You can take admission in any institutions. And last one is the right to constitution remedies. इन सब राइट्स को प्रोटेक्ट जो करता है राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेमेडीज व्हेन यू फील कि योर राइट में बी वायलेटेड बाय एनीवन तो यू कैन अप्रोच टू द जुडिशरी यू कैन मूव टू द जुडिशरी दैट इज राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेमेडीज तो दिस आर द राइट गिवन इन फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड अर्लियर right to property also part of this but this is made as separate and these are the rights given our constitution here. In class 8 we'll discuss about the constitution different right and here we have completed the civics book and we have completed this chapter right to equality. In this chapter we have discussed the struggles different examples are given from your book Kanta to related, Ansari to related, and Melanie to related example, Om Prakash Valmiki to related, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to related, Swapna to related, and last one is the Tawamasa to related. So these are the different examples we have studied how such people has struggle against the discrimination, and if anyone such person who has discriminate or maybe start the struggles against anyone so is the hero for a society and our freedom fighter also started struggles against the colonial period हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर ने भी महात्मा गांधी सुभाष चंद्र बोस चंद्रशेखर आजाद भगत सिंह सुखदेव these are the different freedom fighter who has started the struggle against the Britishers of colonial period so they are also heroes for our nation and those people who play the important role in struggle they are also known by the different identity so this is the story of this chapter here or in this chapter we have discussed out of the our equality how our constitution promote our equality and finally we can say we all are equal in front of laws. Okay dear, have a good day and after that we will start the new chapter from Monday onwards. Thank you everybody.